Hey guys, JD here with the Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS. So today we're taking a look at the latest product from PWC Brackets. They are the world's leading manufacturer of brackets for PWC audio solutions. And today they've sent me their new proprietary audio system for the Kawasaki Ultra 310 and Ultra 160 line of jet skis. Alright, so here, let's take a look first. We've got our 4-inch waterproof speaker pods. You can see that PWC Brackets has fitted these with their install system. They also come with this chrome grille if you'd prefer that. And these are some pretty substantial speaker pods. I mean, take a look at these. These can handle up to 200 watts. And you can see all these fittings are plug and play. This can accommodate a full 4-speaker system. We only are installing 2 at this point up on the top on either side of our display there. But if you wanted to add speakers later, you can add an additional 2. And then this is our waterproof Bluetooth controller. You can install this pretty much wherever you want, but PWC Brackets recommends installing it right below your jog dial, as seen in the photo right here. It really fits in there perfectly and looks great. So this package is put together exclusively for PWC Brackets by the manufacturer. So these will mount to the ski. You can see that there's a little area where the stock speakers would mount. There's some, you can see these little holes right here. So this is going to mount in a very similar location, right like this. And I'm going to show you here some pictures from PWC Brackets. They've done a full install of this product on their Kawasaki Ultra 310X test ski. And so I'm happy to bring you this product. For a while, I was really resistant to installing speakers on my ski. In fact, I purposely bought this trim because it didn't come with the massive footwell speakers. And I'm really happy to have these up here. I didn't want anything in my footwells, but if I decided to add something later, the amplifier and the system that's included with these speakers does accommodate expansions. So just take a look at these again. Really high quality item. And these should look really great on the ski once they're installed. And then I want to give you a look here at our 4-channel 600-watt amplifier. This is the PWC Brackets 4-channel Class D full-range amplifier. Everything in this is waterproof and designed for a marine environment. And all the connectors are plug and play. This interfaces directly with your Bluetooth controller. This controller here I showed you mounts right into your ski. So you can see it's got full audio controls, auxiliary inputs. And these buttons have a real nice feel to them. And it looks like they light up as well. Well, special thanks again to PWC Brackets for hooking me up with this system. Make sure to visit them online at pwcbrackets.com to learn more about this system and the other systems they offer for the Kawasaki, Yamaha, and Sea-Doo watercraft.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more Kawasaki content, only on JD's Water World.